Hey guys, welcome back to Coffee and Cryptos. My name is Dom and today I'm going to be making a Carolyn's Irish Cream Latte. Before we get into today's video, the crypto word of the day is self-custody. What is self-custody? Self-custody signifies that only you have the possession of your digital money or other digital assets because you control the private key. Welcome back to another video. In order to make a Carolyn's Irish Cream Latte, you'll need Irish cream, whiskey, espresso roast, milk. Today I'll be using almond milk, and then you can use whipped cream to taste. I love Irish cream lattes because they are perfect for curling up on a cold winter night underneath a blanket and watching a movie. They are smooth and creamy from the milk and the Irish cream, but also bold from the whiskey and the espresso. It's the type of drink that warms your chest and it's perfect for those cold winter nights. In order to make the Irish cream latte, you'll need a 1/4 cup of coffee, 1 shot of whiskey, 1 shot of Irish cream, and then you fill the rest of the cup with warm, frothy milk, and then you top with the whipped cream. Okay, so step 1 is to go ahead and brew the espresso. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Starbucks espresso roast here, and I'm going to scoop some into the coffee machine. I have 4 cups of water, so I'm gonna put 4 tablespoons of coffee. Go ahead and, let me put the lid on here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the spout over the lid so the water can run over the grounds. Then go ahead and close it. And then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and start the machine so that way the coffee can start to brew. Okay, so while the coffee is brewing, I'm gonna go ahead and pour a shot of whiskey into my glass. I'm just using the Jameson whiskey here. I'm going to pour it into a shot glass. And then you're going to pour that into the mug. I'm going to go ahead and close this up. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the Carolyn's cream, but I'm going to use the 1/4 cup. Pour it up to the top, and then I'm going to pour that into it. Go ahead and close this up. And then next, I'm going to take my almond milk, give it a good shake. I'm going to pour it to probably in between the first and second line in my milk frother. And then I'm going to go ahead and froth the hot milk. And then I'll come back and I'll pour in my espresso and then I'll pour the milk on top. Okay, so now that the espresso is done brewing, it's time for me to measure my 1/4 cup and then pour it into the glass. I'm going to take it here. I have my cup. And pour it. Tad bit more right there. And then what I'll do is I'll fill the rest of it up with milk. So it's really, really good. And then to top it off, I'm going to shake up the whipped cream. This is a dessert drink, so I'm going to put a lot of whipped cream on there. Ooh, okay. And here we have a Carolyn's Irish Cream Latte. Ooh, that's really good. I can taste the hints of whiskey, a little bit of the Irish cream, some espresso. It's just a really good combination, and the whipped cream makes it the perfect sweet treat. Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. See y'all next time.